So the original work that I did came out of that Oakland, California multi-agency partnership, that the police were part of a partnership, and that was with the fire, rodent control, with the health and safety department, and they worked as a multi-agency team. Now, the problem with a multi-agency team is it's very difficult to have consistency of the individuals that form part of that partnership, because in multi-agency teams, people move in and out, and it's very difficult to sustain that multi-agency group of people. So my research over time started to look at the value of one, what we would call dyad partnerships, partnerships of the police with one other agency. And my research shows that the optimal number is one or two partners that the police forge. And there's a very good reason for that. These partnerships take time to build trust, right? So a partnership that works best is where there's trust. There's trust to share information, for example. If the agencies don't share information, then they're not really working with all the information that they actually need to intervene in a problem. To be able to share information, it requires agreements, for example, for data sharing. But it goes much deeper than that. These partnerships, these dyad partnerships, these partnerships between just two agencies, the police and another agency, there's a lot of understanding that the police need to develop to understand the priorities of that agency, and equally that other agency or that other entity, that other third party, needs to understand where the police are coming from as well and what their priorities are. So if you develop a sustainable partnership, these dyad partnerships, these partnerships between police and one other agency, in my research, we've found that those are the partnerships that are sustainable over time. So it doesn't mean that the police can't work in multi-agency teams. They can, but we find that they get formed and then they very quickly fall apart, maybe after just 1 or 2 years. Whereas those partnerships that get developed between just the police and one other agency to deal with a specific problem. So I'm not saying that the police can't partner with many different agencies, but what I'm saying is that the police, in terms of dealing with consistent problems, need one partner that they can foster that relationship with, develop the trust, be able to have a sustainable partnership over time.